Hello everyone, welcome back to Venky's View. In today's video, I'm going to review another digital product called Mobile Moolah. Mobile Moolah is a all-in-one application which will help us to promote the affiliate products from ClickBank. This application helps us to find the best affiliate product to promote, and also it will help us to create our personalized WordPress website related to our niche. And not only that, it made our life easy by creating the pre-sale pages by just one click. I'm going to give you the detailed demo of this application in a bit. Before that, I'm going to quickly show you the custom bonuses you will be getting if you purchase this product using the link given in the description. Let's quickly see my custom bonus page. Here is my bonus page. I'm going to quickly show you the 5 custom bonuses you will be getting if you purchase this product using the link given in the description. The first bonus you will be getting is going to be the complete, this one, the access to the 3-in-1 email marketing application. Using this application, you will be able to create multiple email marketing campaigns to get more traffic to your website or your affiliate products, everything. So this is one of the good bonus you can use. And the second bonus is going to be the complete tutorial to become a master in affiliate marketing using in a ClickBank affiliate program. And the third bonus is going to be the 3 best traffic sources. How to get more traffic, organic traffic to your website. You will be able to learn everything from this tutorial. And the fourth bonus is going to be the access to the Goodwill application. This is another way application where you can get more organic traffic to your affiliate products and your websites. And the fifth and final bonus is going to be the all the vendor bonus, which I will be showing at the end of the video. Now let's go directly into the demo. Now I have logged into the Mobile Moolah web application. So now I'm going to show you what are the things you will be able to do using this application by step. The first step is going to be the finding the best affiliate product. For that, using this profit finder, click on this option, and it is directly integrated to the ClickBank of marketplace. So you will be able to find all the products, the best selling products, or you can select all the categories that are related to your niche using this option. So there are so many options. You see, you can find a number of options to find the affiliate product related to your niche, so which you can select here. You can filter the best selling product by using this gravity filter. Using this, you will be able to find the best selling products in the ClickBank marketplace. So for example, let's see, I'm going to select this particular product, 1K2. Now I'm going to promote this particular product. If you see, for this particular product, every sale you make, you will be getting $52. So, and also see, number of sales are really high. So this is one of the good product to promote. Now we found the product which we are going to promote. The step number 2 is going to be the creating our personalized website for this particular product. For that, just go to this website builder and create your WordPress website. Here you don't need to worry about your domain or where to host this website. So everything will be handled by this Mobile Moolah application itself. So I'm going to create one Keto and mobilemoolah.net. So I'm going to create this website by clicking build website. It will take a couple of seconds to build this one. You see, the website has been created successfully now. You can close this, and if you see, this is our website. Now you can log into your WordPress website by just using this login option, and it's going to be the default password admin, and you can change it later. So this is our brand new WordPress website. Okay, you see, 1keto.mobilemoolah.net. So this is your brand new website, and to make our life even easier, they are providing the website template in our Mobile Moolah application To access that, just go back to our application here, and you see there is an affiliate website template. Just click and download that. So it will download that the plugin, Mobile Mola plugin for WordPress website. So that we need to import to your WordPress website so that you can easily create the pre-sale application pages to your website. I'm going to show you how. For that, just go back to your WordPress and click on this all-in-one WordPress migration, and okay, and click on import, and import from, and select the file and choose the file you just downloaded. This is the one I'm selecting, and it will take some time to import. Click on proceed, and yes, it should be done in a minute. And import is successful now. Click on finish. Now if you see, this Mobile Mola plugin has been added here. If you see there, so click on that. Here you will be able to create the pre-sale pages to your website, like for any niche. You can select any niche, or you can even select the specific product ID which you can get from here. You can, if you go to the Profit Finder, you will be able to get that product ID here. So for example, if you wanted to select get the product ID for this one keto, so just copy this one and go to your yes, mobile phone application, and you can provide the here the product ID, and you should have your ClickBank affiliate ID, so that every product will be directly linked to your, whatever the product you are promoting, it will be directly linked to your ClickBank account. So just give your ClickBank affiliate ID here, and you can either you can select the entry, or you can even create the new entry, like type plan something, and also tag also you can do the same thing. And how many posts you want to create, you can give some number and create post. See how easy you will be able to create your post here. So now it is successful. Now we'll go back to our website and see. You see our diet plan has been created, and also you see, if you this diet plan, if somebody clicks on this one, it will be directly linked to your affiliate link in the ClickBank account. So whenever somebody purchases using this one, you will be getting the commission. So that is how it works. How easy is that? You see, and you can integrate this with your all the social media accounts, everything. So yeah, that's pretty much. And also one more thing you have here in Mobile Mola is traffic engine. You will be able to post this into a multiple social media and to get more organic traffic. So all those things you will be able to do it from here, and get more organic traffic. And if you have any questions, because they have a detailed VIP training module where you can have the detailed demo of each feature, how it is working, everything. They have given the detailed video about those features here, so which you can go through if you have any questions about that. So that's pretty much about this application. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I will definitely try to answer those. Now I'm going to quickly show you the sales page for this application. Here they have given a lot of information about this product, how this works, and also they are promising 180 days money back guarantee. If you buy this product within 180 days, if you return that without asking any questions, they will be able to refund your money back. Now I'm going to show you the vendor bonuses you will be getting. So there are a lot of information they have it here. You can go through if you want. I'm not gonna go through everything here, and I'm gonna quickly show you that the vendor bonuses you will be getting. Yes, yeah, you see. So these are the vendor bonuses, along with my custom 5 bonuses, you will be getting these bonuses as well if you purchase this using the link in the description. So yeah. And once again, if you like this product and decided to purchase, please use the link given in the description so that you will be getting my custom bonuses along with this product. So don't miss that opportunity. And if you have any questions related to this demo of this application, please feel free to leave that in the comments. I will definitely try to answer those. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.